Alice is freaked out at the moment. That one bites the shit out of you.
You're just going down my back.
Turn around.
Do you want to spray copious amounts of start, you bastard? Do you want to spray some? Alright. Daihatsu moving. Oh, fuck.
Good one.
That thing's fucking sick.
Really like the bottom pulley.
Yeah, just fucking. Oh fuck, that's sharp.
Yeah, that's the biggest issue. There's not much to hold on to. But I have picked it up like a fair few times before. You might need a spanner on the other side.
I need longer than this anyway. Yeah, this boy.
After I paint it, it'll be like $1,000 into the whole thing. I stripped, like I pulled them both apart and rebuilt it, and yeah, 20 bucks, can't complain.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wait, which way's loosened again?
Fuck man, I don't know. Turn it till it spins.
What the fuck?
And the beers.
So what you're saying is we have to grind the new ones?
No, these can go in. These can go in fine. I'm not going to make that mistake again.
Is that going to fit?
Yes.
So these are off Commodore? No.
No, these are proper Daihatsu Mira coilovers.
Well, you're going to get something off Commodore?
Yeah, well, that was the other option, because you can only really buy these from Malaysia, and I don't know, they want like 600 bucks. I found this set for like 100, 150 or something.
Okay, where the fuck did I put those for? That's heavier than I expected, eh? I wish the Commodore was this easy to turn into like a slightly better version of itself. Is it lined up? Yeah?
Yeah, right there. Just drop it a touch. Might need to just knock it in with something.
I don't think it's in straight though.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is my fucking Happy Days hammer?
Love the plier hammer.
Anything's a hammer if you're brave enough.
Pretty much.
There we go. Well, it hasn't done the classic tighten, loosen, so it should do it.
Yeah. If we get a little bit more
A little bit more
guard
height.
clearance. It'll drive.
There's definitely some clearance so you're no longer fucking rubbing. You probably didn't have to roll your fucking fenders with like a shock absorber now that we've like difference between the new ones and the old ones, and the fucking Jasper got bored and decided to cut half of that one off, but you know,
Nice.
good times.
Maybe you should have brought a fucking rattle gun.
Yeah, well, I did ask.
Yeah.
I love the fenders though, like they're not like cracked or anything at all. You're implying it's hard for us to break shit? Pretty sure something breaks every time I drive my car.
Accurate. Look at me go bust him. I didn't do it.
Fucking.
Do you want me to squat down like a goblin again and do the rear arm again?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You might even be able to just sit on the tire if you want.
That's probably not the best.
That's fine.
Now, which way was loose again? Down? Oh, this one was already fucking loose as hell, dude.
And it's the other way around, so it should be spanner up.
Yeah, it is spanner up, but this was already fucking, like, loose as.
Whoops. Yes.
Wait, so I should have brought another jack. No, it's still, like, a fucking mile away.
You have another jack somewhere.
Yeah. I don't see it, dude. Now, where'd I put the bolt?
Good idea. Excuse the excessive amount of crap everywhere.
Fuck.
We'll just do a lap like up and down. Just make sure it's running right. Needs a CV as well.
Ah, yes. Oh, fuck. Oh. It feels better than the cut springs.
Oh yeah. It'll still rub this a little bit.
I know, but at least it's not on the tyre.
Yeah.
Like, it'll rub when you, like, hit a bump, but...
I need to bleed the clutch too.
You can always do that today. If it can be fucked.
Nice.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know why I'm indicating, I got no fucking indicators in the car.
Yeah, well, it's not scrubbing, like, all the time anymore.
Yeah. Only on like compression, which is fine.
Good old check engine light.
Yeah, well that's because it's an EFI car, but it has absolutely no EFI gear in it. So then, like, the car doesn't think it has an engine. But the car be like, no, we go door it anyway. It's like, kind of drives, when I've fanged it down like mountains and stuff, it kind of feels like an old Mini.
Yeah. I mean, it has got wheels at all four corners, though. Like the Minis did.
What do you mean?
Like, you know how the Minis, like, the whole thing about them is because there's a wheel at every corner, so it kind of handles, like...
That's like...
It's kind of hard to describe, but it would handle similar to this, then.
But most cars have four wheels.
Yeah, no, I meant, like, at the very edge, like, corners of the car. So, like, you look at a Skyline, like, it's got, like, a big nose.
Yeah,
and,
big
like,
overhangs and whatnot.
Whereas this and a Mini have wheels directly wherever the road's going to be for the size of the car.
So it drives. Door machine.
Alright guys, quick tutorial on how to launch control a fucking Mira.
It's the factory anti-lag.
Oh fuck. If you can zip tie down a Pintara battery, you can zip tie down a Mira battery.
pro tip, exhausts are hot. Well, I just, yeah, from memory, like everything I work on normally has 14mm strut bolts. But this is all like the EFI gear, just like taped up to the side.
Did you swap the motor or the other guy did?
Oh, that old owner swapped it.
Yeah.
I will.
Back.
It's gone in the middle, you're right. Just pretending.
It's like, I want to do what? Fuck's sake.
Just practicing.
Got it tough.
Yeah. Just sitting there, just do it.
You're doing great.
Fuck. It's fine when you're doing it, and then as soon as you stop, it just falls off. That boy could be kind of stiff though. Stiff, I mean rustic. Fuck. Hang on, and now that I've broken it, I should be able to use a small one.
Aha. That's doing stuff. It won't fall.
Oh yeah, still held on to that, eh? Oi, we have a spanner, we can poke it through.
You mean a screwdriver?
That one.
Right.
Did we fuck the bolt? Find out next time on the retards working on cars. That doesn't look good, eh?
Yeah, that boot's kind of cooked, but oh well. So,
Malaysia spec.
Best Tech Series 2. No, Series 3, even better.
Oh, it's just like KWV3s, mate. They're fucking just as good. Most of this video is just going to be your legs doing weird things.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
So,
I want to
fuck.
them up off the car so that
So that's pretty much the same height as you had the last ones at.
a little bit shorter.
Oh yeah, fucking retarded.
And I can just drop it down from
A little
there.
bit shorter should be fine though, because the last ones were okay. They were kind of high, but it's also the fronts, so it looks high.
Yeah,
Hold it against the other one though, don't you?
a little bit. Should be right.
Screwdriver.
Oh God.
I can't count either.
Why don't we just line them up together and then they look the same?
Yeah, well you need to keep, this needs to keep
That needs to go
screwing
up a lot.
Fingers are C-spanners.
Fuck. I did the spin. Okay.
Hold up.
Okay, line it up. Okay.
Where are those bolts at?
I don't know, you drop them. Okay.
Just stand on this again.
Do you want to put the top ones in first or no? No, do them last.
Yeah.
Just as tight as I can get it.